you want to say your Instagram?
No.
Okay. Wuss. G'day everyone. With this next shoot, what we're going to do, I'm going to try and shoot daylight. So there's a really big door that's standing behind me over here, which is letting all the natural light in. So I'm no longer going to be using flash anymore. And we're going to use this concrete backdrop, which is from Kate's Backdrop. And they're really beautiful. I will leave the link down below in case if you did want to get one of these backdrops. They have sponsored me, so it's really great having that relationship with a supplier. As you know, when I'm ever being sponsored by people, I only will ever use things that I pay for myself. This was one I did actually pay for, but in coming videos coming up, they've actually offered for me to be an ambassador for them. So I'll be having a lot more backdrops that I'll be using in the coming weeks and months from Kate Backdrops as well. So if you can support them, that'd be great. But basically, this is a sort of a fake concrete type look that you'll see. Now, because I'm going to be shooting, I'm going to try the 55 on this one as well. And I might even try the 85 to get a different look, just to see how they both compare, the baddest. I'm going to shoot 1.8 because I do now want to shoot wide open at 1.8. And then I'm going to give, when I edit these, I'm going to give them a real sort of matted look as well, which will be really beautiful. So you'll see that as we actually go through the shoot. And it was Scott?
Scout.
I'll have to cut there.
You're hopeless.
You would never believe I was a teacher, would you? Seriously. Took me about 3 years to learn the kids' names.
My art teacher calls me Scott. It's really annoying.
Scouts.
Scout.
Okay. And this is Scout, and she's just starting in the group as well this time, so I'm really looking forward to working with her over the next 12 months. So we'll look at that shoot now. All right, so just bring your hands sort of onto your, yeah, Lisa, well, that's beautiful.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite, we're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite.